we have built Spect Tribes, which is a mechanism for decentralized teams to value and pay out for contributions. So for the purpose of this demo, I already have created a tribe. So let's go to that tribe. And I've also added other contributors to this tribe. So first, let's start by creating an epoch. So here, what is an epoch? So an epoch is basically a time period during which contribution is valued. So the first is we're going to value task, which is basically a proactive way of valuing someone's contribution. So like it's sort of valuing the task so that people can get paid out right after completing the task. So in the epoch, we can also set chain and the currency. So let's go ahead and create epoch. We're going to stick to Polygon, Mumbai, and Matic. So then we can also import the tasks from GitHub. So let's go ahead and import them. We can import them using a tag as well. So let's submit it. So these are actually gonna show up in board. And if you see, like, these are these three issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and vote. So here you'll see something interesting, which is that initially I had 100 remaining votes, but now I only have 0. I have 0 because this is actually using quadratic voting. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just vote for one task very heavily and save the allocation with this account. And then we're gonna switch to a different account and also put in our allocations. Let's first connect our wallet and then let's go ahead and put in maybe distribute it more evenly this time maybe, and do this and then save allocation. So now that we have saved allocation, we can end epoch manually for this demo, and you can see immediately the reward is populated. It's distributed. The initial budget of one Matic has been distributed based on the value that was decided upon by the decentralized team, right? So and you can see here that this specific issue will be closed. So this is actually a pretty cool feature here. We have it gets closed, and now that the work has been completed, it can be paid for, right? So now we can go ahead and do that. Great. So now that the payment is going to go through, we're going to see paid over here in a bit. And yep. All right. Awesome. So now let's go ahead and value contributors, right? So we're going to start an epoch, create a new epoch, right? So create epoch. And once we create epoch, we can refresh and we will see now we can vote. Basically, it's sort of gifting, a gifting mechanism where people are valuing each other's contribution, right? So now we save this allocation. We go ahead and do the same thing with Bob and connect the wallet. Similarly, we can allocate our votes and then save allocation. And then as we do that, we can end the epoch, and then we can actually just refresh one more time and we should see the rewards being populated here. So now what we can do is we can actually pay out our contributors using a batch pay mechanism for their work, right? So their retroactive reward sort of, and we pay out our contributors here. And now these contributors should get their reward soon.